Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own 4-leaf clover lucky charm in Paracord. You need at least 4 pieces of about 20 centimeters, but I prefer to go a bit wider, longer than that. So 3 and 4. There we go. So once you have your 4 pieces, you do like this. Take your end, put it through, so you have a loose knot. Make sure you have some wiggle space. Pair it up like this. Take the new strand's end, put it through the loop here, thus creating a new loop where you pull it through. And pull, 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 pull like this. Just tighten it up a bit, not too much. We'll get to that later. Go about 4 centimeters down that line. Make a new loop like this. Put the end through the loop. Then you go through the loop, over and through, like this. Tighten it up just a bit, like so. Make sure that they're aligned. They are, like that. Put that away. Take the other 2 strands. Make another one, like so. Through the loop. Just a bit of tightening. Align the ends, like this. Go through the loop, over, and then through the loop on the other side, like so, just like you did before. Tighten them up just a bit, like so. Here comes the tricky part. Take the one you made first, and the second one, like so. Then you need to weave. So I go over, under, and I go under, over. Now they're interwoven. And now make a new loop, like so. Go through the loop, like so. Take the other one, go through the loop, over and through, like so. Now you have a loose concept, now you need to tighten it up. And I'll be doing this gradually. And it needs some finger work, and it's hard to see because I need my thumbs. So you tighten, pull, tighten, tighten, yank, like so. Then I prefer to tighten them up so I don't have so much that I need to cut, and also I get more cord for stems later on. Like so. Like so. Tighten them up good. Go the other way around. Pull. Like so. Now I just need to walk the last 2 knots all the way down. Like so. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Here we go. And from here on out, it's just a matter of preferences how tight you like your knots. I like mine to be fairly tight because this is a bit too sloppy in my world. There's space that I can see through. So I need to tighten it up just a bit more until I'm happy with the result. But of course, you do you. Now for the last part, snipping off the ends and cinching. When I've come so far, I'll just check where is the longest strand, and on this one it would be over here. So I'll cut these two off right here. Cinch, like so. Check out again which one is longest. That would be the left one. So I'll cut the right. And there we have it. So if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome paracord projects. Thanks for watching.